Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You should start now. Unlock your iPhone and tap the phone app, then go straight to the voicemail tab. This opens the message list where new messages appear at top. If you see a prompt to set up voicemail, follow it. Choose a passcode and record your greeting so callers know it's active. Once done, make sure cellular service or Wi-Fi calling is on. Voicemail relies on your carrier, so being connected prevents missing setup steps. Now focus on managing messages. Tap any voicemail to play it and use pause, rewind, or the speaker button for clearer listening. You can press the share icon to save the audio to files or send it in messages or mail, which helps preserve important info. When you delete a message, it moves to recently deleted, so if you removed one by mistake, open that folder and recover it. Make sure to clean out old items regularly to free storage and stay organized. Finish by confirming your voicemail works end to end. Listen to saved greetings and test by calling from another phone. If you don't see messages, toggle airplane mode and reconnect, then restart the iPhone. This refreshes network registration. Make sure carrier settings are current under Settings, General, About Updates install automatically when available. If problems persist, contact your carrier because voicemail routing and storage are handled on their servers. They can reset your mailbox.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.